Hi, I'm Heike from Genii. I'm here to give you an introduction to the Samsung Galaxy S4. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. The S4 is your life companion. With a huge 5-inch screen, 16 gigs of built-in memory and a 13 megapixel camera, it's also your perfect business partner. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Your S4 comes with an AC charger and USB cable, headphones and guides. To get started, remove the back, insert your micro SIM and the battery, then replace the cover. Now press the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your S4 will default to English, so tap Next. You can choose to complete the setup using Wi-Fi if you have access, or just tap Next. Tick to accept the end user license agreement, then tap Next. Setting up a Samsung account comes next, but we'll skip this step for now. Now let's add your Google account. Doing so will give you immediate access to the Play Store once setup is complete. Google Plus comes next. We'll tap Not Now to continue. If you regularly download paid-for apps, you can add your credit card details next, or just tap Not Now. Google Backup and Restore options come next. Keep these options ticked and tap the arrow key to continue. Google Location options come next. Great for using maps or other location-based applications. We'll keep these ticked for now, but you can easily switch this off in the settings menu, for instance if you're travelling overseas. Dropbox comes next, so you can create, sign into, or skip this step. Next, you can learn all about the amazing features of your S4. Browse these, then tap Next. Lastly, name your device and tap Finish. That's your S4 all set up. I'll now explain some of the standard device features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while on any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe across the screen. This will display the main home screen. To adjust ringer volume, press the volume up or down button. Scrolling all the way down puts your S4 into vibrate mode. For extra security, we recommend that you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. Tap the app icon at the bottom of the home screen, then tap Settings, then My Device, Lock Screen, then Screen Lock. Select the lock option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Home button. To select an icon or choose an option on the screen, just tap on it. To go back a step at any point, just tap the Back button. Your S4 has a number of home screens for the display of apps and widgets. To navigate between these screens, swipe your finger from side to side. The scroll bar shows you what screen you're in. The notification bar at the top of the screen alerts you to all of the latest happenings on your S4, like receiving voicemail, appointment reminders, emails and software updates. To view notifications, swipe your finger down the screen. Tap on the description and it will take you to a screen telling you more. Pressing the back button takes you to the home screen again. If you want to delete all remaining notifications, just tap Clear. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalising the screens. Your S4 allows you to customise many things, like wallpaper, font size and icon placement. Your S4 comes preloaded with clever widgets like the weather. You can find more by long pressing on a clear screen, then tapping Apps and Widgets. Select Widgets, then browse the options and long press on your choice. Now drag it to a clear spot on one of the home screens. To add an app to the home screen, tap the app icon. Browse the options and long press on your chosen app. You can move it anywhere on the screen by long pressing and then releasing your finger when it's in the spot you want. To remove an app icon or widget, long press again, then drag up to delete. To add extra screens, long press on a clear spot and tap Page. The Play Store is where you'll find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find an app for almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. There are great free apps too, like Cisco WebEx, which lets you join web conferences right from your S4. Just tap on the Play Store icon on the home screen. Browse the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. If you plan to take your S4 overseas, it's a good idea to download the Telecom Roaming app. It's a great free tool that helps you manage data costs while you're overseas. You can even put a data smart cap in place so that when you reach your chosen spend limit, data usage will stop. Free alerts will tell you how your usage is going too. Your S4 comes preloaded with the Telecom Roaming app, so just tap on it. Agree to the terms, then tap on the dots for more info. Now tap Data Smart Caps to set a limit on your data roaming spend. Tap the link. You may have to accept Google Chrome's terms of use to continue. Then tap Change to adjust your cap. Next, we'll look at email. We added Google Mail during setup, but now's the time to add in other accounts like corporate email. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. Tap the app icon on the home screen, then tap Settings, then Accounts, and Add Account. Now tap Microsoft Exchange Active Sync. Enter your work email address and password, then tap Next. Now add your Exchange server settings. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided and tap Next, then OK. You can browse mail settings or just tap Next to continue. Lastly, activate Device Administrator if required. Then name your account and tap Done. Bluetooth offers you wireless connectivity over short distances from your S4. You can use it to link devices like car kits for safe driving and headsets that let you multitask while you talk. From the home screen, tap the app icon, Settings, Connections, then Bluetooth. Swipe to turn it on and tap to make your S4 discoverable to other devices for 2 minutes. Now tap Scan. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check that the passkey matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. Bluetooth devices vary, so you may need to follow specific instructions to pair. Your S4 has some incredible features you'll no doubt discover soon, like smart screen and voice control. But did you know you can turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot too? When you're out and about with another wireless device like a laptop or tablet, you can use the data connection on your S4 to connect other wireless devices. From the home screen, tap the app icon, then Settings, Connections, then More Networks, and tap Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Tap Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot and follow the configuration steps. Then tap Save. Now swipe to turn your Wi-Fi hotspot on and off. On your laptop or tablet, turn Wi-Fi on. Select the network name, then enter the password as shown on your S4. Another incredible app on your S4 is Motions and Gestures. There are a huge range to choose from, but we'll cover AirCall except for now. From the home screen, tap the app icon, then Settings, My Device, then Motions and Gestures. Now tap Air Gesture and scroll down to and swipe on AirCall Accept. When you receive a call, wave your hand back and forth to answer the call. The last feature we'll cover is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Swiping down from the status bar gives you the toolbar where you can quickly turn apps off to save power. You can turn airplane mode on here too. Reducing the screen timeout is a good power saver. You can do this by heading to Settings, My Device, Display, and then Screen Timeout. Select a shorter time to save power. Also under My Device is Power Saving Mode. You can switch to this when you're out and about with a low battery. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Samsung Galaxy S4. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.